Welcome to your sacral Svadhisthana chakra meditation. Begin by sitting comfortably, either cross-legged on the floor, in a chair with your feet firmly planted on the ground, or lying down in your most comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. Visualize a vibrant orange light glowing just below your navel, swirling and pulsing with creative energy. As you apply your sacral chakra blend to your lower abdomen, imagine this orange light growing brighter, filling your entire lower abdomen with warmth and vitality. Silently repeat the affirmation: I embrace creativity, pleasure, and emotional flow. With each breath, feel the energy in your sacral area becoming more fluid, allowing you to experience joy, passion, and emotional balance. Continue to breathe deeply, feeling this vibrant energy flow through your entire being. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling creative and emotionally balanced. Namaste.